sklearn multiclass 1vs1 classifier. Description: the 1vs1 classifier strategy is a method for multiclass classification. It constructs one binary classifier for every pair of classes. To make a prediction, each binary classifier predicts the class for the given sample, and the class with the most votes is chosen. Inputs: X, the input features for the training data. This is typically a 2D array, where each row represents a sample and each column represents a feature. Y, the target labels for the training data. This should be a 1D array with the same length as X, where each element represents the class label of the corresponding sample. Outputs: predictions: a 1D array of class labels for the given input samples. Probabilities: optional, a 2D array of predicted probabilities for each class. Steps: training: the 1vs1 classifier trains a binary classifier for each pair of classes. For each pair, the training data is filtered to include only the samples belonging to those two classes. The chosen binary classifier is then trained on this filtered data. Prediction: to predict the class label for a new sample. The 1vs1 classifier uses each binary classifier to make a prediction. The class that is predicted most often across all binary classifiers is chosen as the final. Prediction metrics: accuracy: the ratio of correctly classified samples to the total number of samples. Precision: the ratio of correctly classified positive samples to the total number of samples predicted as positive. Recall: the ratio of correctly classified positive samples to the total number of actual positive samples. F1 score: the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Visualization plots: confusion matrix: a visualization that shows the number of correctly and incorrectly classified samples for each class. Precision recall curve: a plot that shows the trade-off between precision and recall for different thresholds. ROC curve: a plot that shows the relationship between the true positive rate and the false positive rate for different thresholds. Fine-tune parameters: estimator: the binary classifier to be used for each pair of classes. The default is a logistic regression. N-jobs: the number of jobs to run in parallel. This can be used to speed up the training process. Decision function shape determines the shape of the decision function. Can be OVR1 vs rest or over 1 vs 1. Uncertainty methods: confidence scores: the 1vs1 classifier can provide confidence scores for each class, which can be used to measure the uncertainty of the prediction. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: overfitting. If the binary classifiers are overfit to the training data, they may not generalize well to new data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: if the training data is small or imbalanced, the binary classifiers may overfit to the training data. Fixes to challenge 1: use regularization techniques such as L1 or L2 regularization to prevent overfitting. Challenge 2: computational cost training. A large number of binary classifiers can be computationally expensive. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: if the number of classes is large. Training the 1vs1 classifier can be computationally expensive. Fixes to challenge 2: use a smaller number of classes or reduce the complexity of the binary classifier.